What started as a sketch became an idea during the conference call, which led to a meeting and a few minor notes, which prompted a coffee break and inspired a new brainstorm session with some outside help, which finally led to the breakthrough that changed it all. One that was worth sharing with the office, so that marketing, engineering, and sales could all sign off, and the whole team could come together to bring the plan to life. Introducing Smart Kapp, the dry erase board reinvented. Capture, save, share with Smart Kapp.